Welcome back, guys. While we are closing our day, our Sunday today, and preparing ourselves for a new week, a new Monday, very quick tip. How to see information in Microsoft Excel. So here I'm going to show you quickly how you can see that is equal to sign and info. Info is the syntax that you use, and you can get information about the current environment of your operating system. For example, if you want to see what kind of Microsoft Excel version you're using, you are going to type release and you're going to close parentheses. There we go. This will show you and demonstrate to you exactly the version of your Microsoft Excel. Now, if you want to see other information, let's say what else we can see. Okay, if I want to see how many active worksheets are there, it's very easy and simple. I will type num file and close parentheses 3. So for example, if I add one more spreadsheet here, and if I refresh it, you can see it's 4 now. So this is another feature you can see. So you can use this info to see all kind of information. Operating system, for example, if you want to see, simply type OS version, and this will demonstrate or show you which kind of operating system you're using. Other things, if you want to see, there are many information syntaxes here that you can use. For example, where the file is located here, simply type directory and close it. You can see where exactly this file is being saved. So all the information I will let you to go and explore what exactly you can see here. And enjoy, fellas. This was a quick tip before I close my day, my Sunday today. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Rather, have a wonderful rest of the evening. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like and share this video if you liked it. I wish you a great start of the week tomorrow. Take care then, and looking forward to see you very soon in another video with Excel to Excel. Ciao, ciao.